Athlete dietary vitamin supplements. How can you find an athlete dietary vitamin supplement that is right for you? Finding the right nutritional supplement can be difficult if you are an athlete. Athletes use more of their body's nutrients and need to quickly be able to replace those lost vitamins and minerals. With the help of a multivitamin, most athletes can keep their nutrition at its peak. Finding the correct supplement for your nutritional needs starts with knowing what your nutritional needs are. If you are an endurance runner, your needs will be different from someone who is a weightlifter. Although every person has different vitamin needs, there are some standard amounts that people can use as a guide. If you are purchasing your multivitamins or supplements from a health food store, they will most likely be able to provide you with a listing of the recommended amounts of the vitamins you will be taking. If you want to arrive at the store a little more prepared, you can find the recommended vitamin doses through a simple internet search. Most athletes do not know which multi-mineral or herbal supplements are right for them. The internet can again be a great resource for finding which vitamins and minerals are best suited for athletes. Different athletes require different vitamins to ensure they can obtain the best performance possible. After doing a little bit of research on the different types of multivitamin supplement pills and liquids that are available, an athlete then needs to find the best price for those vitamins. Although prices can vary widely from store to store, generally the internet is the best place to find a great deal on vitamins. There are 4 main locations that you can obtain vitamins from. Watch the video to learn more. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. 1. Grocery store usually has the most popular vitamins and not too much variety. You can find brand name vitamins as well as generic vitamins. 2. Health food market. Because these stores specialize in organic and healthy foods, you will find a large variety of organic whole foods vitamins available at them. You may have to pay a higher price at this type of establishment. 3. Vitamin and supplement store. These are often located in malls and carry a wide variety of vitamins and supplements. Any and every vitamin and mineral available can usually be found in this type of store. 4. Internet. The internet is quickly becoming one of the best sources for finding things that you need. You can usually get a really good price on vitamins and supplements, and you generally do not have a very long wait before they are delivered directly to your door. Buying a vitamin supplement does not have to be any different from buying a vitamin supplement for anyone else. If you take your time and do a little research ahead of time, you will be well prepared when you enter the store. Or better yet, just do all your research and shopping online and save yourself a ton of time and money. Thank you for your time. Don't forget hit the subscribe button.